So now that I've given you an overview of the A35 AMG, I've already reviewed it. I've already enjoyed the kind of driving dynamics it has on offer. But now it's yet another date with the AMG sports sedan, and it's one of the most affordable AMGs that you can get your hands on. Now it is even more affordable with the current offers from Mahavir AMG Performance Center. You can get in touch with them. And call the number mentioned in the description portion below to understand the kind of unbelievable offers that you have to bring home an AMG. So the A35 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol that puts out around 306 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque. But more than that, it is the brisk, agile nature of the car that makes it truly enjoyable. Now, first let's set things up. Let's get into dynamic power select and let's select Sport Plus. So we're in Sport Plus now, and suspension is already Sport Plus. So now we are in the drive mode, all set to roll away and experience the sheer brilliance of an AMG sports sedan. Now, yeah, it's not the brutal of them that AMG make, but this gives you a glimpse of what to expect from AMG and what kind of madness they have on offer. Brutal power delivery. So are you ready? Okay, here we go. Oh, look at those shifts. Oh my god, what an acceleration. Pure exhilaration as you step on the pedal. And the grunt of an AMG is, oh, okay, one more of that stiffer suspension. It's absolutely putting the pedal to the metal. Okay, the brakes are brilliant. We hit 200 in no time, and suspension is rock solid. It stays low, feels planted. Man, they really literally stick to the tarmac. And the massive infotainment system, this actually was started by AMG or Mercedes. I first saw this in the G63 AMG, and nowadays everyone is copying it and everyone's coming out with a similar layout. But man, the boost, what was that? 100 in no time. So everything. So the best part about the A35 is it gives you a glimpse into the AMG monster universe as to how they make living, breathing monster machines that have a soul of their own, a distinct character of their own. Like, you can drive a BMW M, which is brilliant in terms of handling and going sideways, but the monster brutality or the grunt of an AMG is something completely out of the ordinary, and that holds true and unique to an AMG, that makes you go OMG each time you put the, you step on the gas or you put the pedal to the metal. The steering, again, as I told you, we had the steering settings, and look at the dash, man. It looks so damn gorgeous. And the ambient lighting, you can change it, set it as per your mood. You have the theme select that can be done as per your wish and will as well. Now here we had the speed, this thing, and the rev counter revving all the way. The steering feel is so damn good, so satisfying. Burmester audio again adds on or lifts your mood after any. Oh my god. Holy shit. Man, what a life. I love my job. I absolutely love it. And you have a, broad panoramic sunroof, everything. So what I like about the A35 is, just as I told you, it gives you a glimpse into the monsterverse of the AMG. At the same time, it kind of soaks you in luxury and safety and the dynamics that Mercedes is known for, the luxury, the comfort, the premium factor. Everything comes together in perfect harmony, and it's not an overdose of brutality. At the same time, it's not an overdose of luxury. This car has proportions of everything in the right mix or the right blend, and that's what makes this an absolute joy to drive. So you can see the boost propelling this monster. Not to 60, but not to 160 in absolutely no time. And yeah, every time you flow the pedal, it holds the gear for longer, shifts at around 6,500 rpm, and that's the beauty of it, and that's what makes an AMG what it is. And yeah, you have the paddle shifters, but yeah, you have the paddle shifters, but what happens is it does the shifting on its own. It doesn't hold the gear for you. Say for instance, see, so even when I'm using the paddles, well, it is there just to give you a feel of that control that you come looking for. But then the shifts are really quick and seamless, and the 7-speed gearbox really does the job for you. You have wireless charging, the aircon vents really cool the cabin well. The seats, you have seat massager to massage or make you feel a little pleasant, even if you've had a very rough day back at work. It kind of cools you down, cools your senses or calms your senses. But the acceleration, the power that this car has on offer, though it is 306 bhp and 400 newton meters, where the power is delivered is what makes this an absolute joy. Also, the aerodynamics of the car, it sits low and very close to the center of gravity, so it feels like it is ready to race, dare I say that. But yeah, it is ready to launch itself into the dynamic mode or the sport plus mode, and ready to propel you ahead at the rate of knots. So this was just a quick glimpse of a sports sedan from AMG, the A35, which is available at a steal deal price. To know that steal deal price, please do call the number mentioned at the description portion below. So they're saying it's around 58 lakhs, but then you can bargain. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed a quick fire demo of what the A35 is actually capable of. So I'll see you guys soon with yet another sports sedan trying to satiate our appetite for speed and thrill and intensity. Until then, this is Dino saying ciao, take care, God bless, and drive safe. And don't miss on this steal deal opportunity when you can own an AMG which is really there to satisfy or satiate your need for speed. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe.